Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to the PFS online learning system. Good morning to all of you. How are you class? I hope you all are fine and doing well. Okay class, today we are going to discuss another new topic named houses we live in. As you know that we all live in houses. Houses gives us shelter from heat and cold. We feel safe and comfortable in our houses. Did you ever notice that the houses people live in are different from each other? In sizes, shapes and material used to build houses are all different. Different types of houses are found in different places. Now we will discuss the types of houses. Houses can be of two types, Pakka houses and Kacha houses. The first one is Pakka houses. Pakka houses are built by using bricks, stones, cement, iron and steel. We use wood and glass for doors and windows. As you see in your houses, they are expensive to build. These houses are very strong and last for a long time. Pakka houses can be single-storied or multi-storied. These houses are found in towns and cities. The next one is Kacha houses. Kacha houses are built by using mud, straw, bamboo and cotton. They are not expensive to build. They are very strong and have to be rebuilt from time to time. These houses are found in villages. Huts are called Kacha houses. As you know, these houses are not very strong. Now we will discuss permanent and temporary houses. Both Pakka and Kacha houses are called permanent houses. People sometimes move from one place to another in search of work and food. These people stay in temporary houses. These temporary houses are of different kinds. Caravans. These are houses on wheels which are called caravans. They are mobile and can be taken from one place to another easily. They can be parked anywhere just like a car. People who live in caravans are called gypsies. The next one is houseboats. Some people live in boats on which houses are built. These are called houseboats. Many people in Sindh, Mansur Lake live in this type of house. The next one is tents. When people go on trekking or camping, they live in tents. Do you know how to pitch a tent? What is the material used to make a tent? Have you ever stayed in a tent? If you have, you know how much fun it is. The next one is igloos. Special types of houses are built in places which are very cold and covered with ice. They are called igloos. Do you know what they are made up of? Ice. Yes, quite surprising but true. They do not melt like your ice cream does. Can you guess why? People who live in igloos are called Eskimos. Okay class, it's all about your today's lecture. I hope you get it well. See you in the next class. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.